Beijing has passed a wide-reaching national security law for Hong Kong, which many fear could be used to override existing legal processes and further erode the city's civil and political freedoms. Beijing's top lawmaking body, the National People's Congress, passed the law anonymously on Tuesday morning local time, bypassing the Hong Kong's legislature. Chinese state-run Xinhua news agency reported, the passing of the legislation has been clouded in secrecy and details of the law itself remain scant. According to Xinhua, the law contains 6 articles and 66 clauses and will go into effect immediately. Xinhua previously reported the law would criminalize offences such as secession, subversion against the central Chinese government, terrorism and colluding with foreign forces. A draft had not been made public ahead of its passage, meaning the vast majority of people in Hong Kong have not seen details of a law that will now govern their lives. In a video addressed to the United Nations Human Rights Council in Geneva on Tuesday, Hong Kong's chief executive Carrie Lam said that the law will have no retrospective effect, a major concern for many democracy activists in the city, especially for those facing charges relating to the protests last year. China's State Council Information Office said it will hold a press briefing on the national security law in Beijing on Wednesday morning. The legislation was widely criticized by opposition lawmakers in Hong Kong, human rights groups and politicians worldwide, with many saying it will cement Beijing's direct control over the semi-autonomous city. Many worry it could be used to target political dissidents, activists, human rights, lawyers and journalists, amid the central government's continuing crackdown on civil society under President Xi Jinping. Activists have vowed to demonstrate against the law on July 1st, the anniversary of the territory's handover from British colonial rule to China in 1997. The day has become an annual day of protests in the city, but for the first time since handover, police have not given permission to protesters to hold peaceful demonstrations.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.